We went to Peru because we develop and manufacture a lot of our goods in South America, in Peru, because they have some of the best quality cottons in the world, as well as manufacturing and workmanship. We went down there because we've been working with Peru for the better half of 5 years, maybe 6 years now, and we wanted to further our bond with our manufacturers so that we can deliver not only a better product to our customers, to our Saltwater family, but to also learn more about their culture, further our relationship personally with our factory owners, and see the country and understand how different economies, how different places work, and understand how they might be 3,000 plus miles, but it's almost the same exact problems, issues that we have here are there as well.
Don't even know where to start. That trip was probably one of the greatest trips I've ever been on, from a personal standpoint, business standpoint, all around, because just to be able to see how the factories work and how all of our products are created firsthand. The people in Peru are, they're so accommodating, they're so nice. I had a great time with Giuseppe and Diana. They're just wonderful people. So they took us on a tour of 2 locations and their manufacturing facility.
And the idea behind meeting with the factories is not to say, hey, sew it this way or do it this way, because they know how to do it, they know what their jobs are. Is to make sure we have the right people in place to build the relationship back to that building of our brand. How do you do that with great people and great factories? So we have a relationship in Peru, and we could call them up on the phone and say, hey guys, we need this and we got to do this better. And they care about us. It works a lot easier when people care about you and know you. That's my experience through business is relationships. And that's what we're building in Peru. And now our trip to Turkey was a fantastic experience too.
Unbelievable trip. We met with some amazing people, and it kind of blew our expectations away of what Europe and the Mediterranean area really could bring to the Saltwater brand. Not only the quality of the goods that they were making, but the quality of the people themselves. They took amazing care of us. I mean, it was a really great community of manufacturers that we met at the Istanbul Fashion Connection. And then the second day, we actually spent privately with 2 of the manufacturers, seeing their facilities, seeing their offerings, and getting a little bit deeper into what they could do for Saltwater and our brand, as well as provide us just a different outlet in case of anything could happen in this world. As we know, if something happened in Peru or something happened elsewhere, that we have other manufacturers available. So really cool, started the connection with them and are talking daily now, trying to build a little bit of a business there in Turkey.
We're building these relationships all around the world. It's a neat thing when you think back about 6 years ago when we first started. It was one factory trying to figure out the brand, what the direction is. We have a clear vision of where we want to be. We want to be a coastal comfort brand that when people put our clothes on, they feel really good about it. That's probably, the most difficult thing you could do is how do you make something that everybody likes? Some people are 7 feet tall, I'm exaggerating. Some people are 5 feet tall. So you have to find that little area in between that. So for 2024, with development and production, is to get that sweet spot.
It was a really good time to visit for us because we're in such a huge growth stage in our business, going from 2 stores last year to 4 stores, and then we just recently closed the location in the mall after 6 years, and really just seeing, hey, if we're going to grow this thing to be the next coastal lifestyle apparel brand to the likes of Vineyard Vines, Southern Tide, Johnny O, we need to have those relationships and understandings of the struggles that both as a factory and manufacturing process, as well as our retail and online business. So it was really cool to learn the culture, understand the bottlenecks, and so we can deliver a better product overall.